Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I have found the perfect solution for getting sore feet when you go to those rocky beaches, lakes, or rivers, and that's this very sturdy pair of water shoes from UBFEN. These have been great for my outdoor adventures. They protect my feet so well, and they dry really quickly. One of the things in particular that impressed me about this pair is that the insoles actually have support with them, and a lot of other water shoes, they just don't have that. I also like how much grip there is on the bottom, so I'm not worrying about sliding around, especially on those rocks out in the lake. I got the size 7.5 in women's. That is my normal size shoe, and I would say these are true to size. And I got the color pink and black. I think that they're just stunning. I love the colors. I did notice that the tab kind of hits my ankle a little bit when I wear them, and so what I did is I just tucked them into the front loops of the elastic ties. That solved the problem perfectly and actually looks really cute just tucked into those front loops. These have been great, sturdy water shoes for all my outdoor adventures, and that's my point of view.